Hello, hello. Hello. Student is requested to start with your video and audio.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, can you turn on your camera? I can't see you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Hello. So can you hear me properly?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So can you tell me something about yourself? Your name is Rahim, or you are logged in
No,
with any other account?
I'm using my dad's account.
Okay. So rename yourself and tell me your name also.
My name is Aahil.
Aahil.
Um,
Okay.
yeah.
You are from
I
where?
go. Uh, I live in Tanzania, but I'm from India.
Okay. In India, from which state?
Kolkata.
Kolkata. Okay, great. And what you are doing there, in which class you are, in which school you are?
I'm in grade 6. I'm in Hopak. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And for which Olympiad you are doing your preparation?
STEM.
STEM. And when is your
Yeah.
exam?
It's in July.
July. Have you received any date?
Yeah, July. It's July 9th to 15th. Like that's when we're going to Barcelona.
Yeah. So you are going there or
Yeah, I
a
am.
online test?
I'm going there.
Okay. Okay. So how many of you from your school or from your class are going, or how many of you participated?
I think like 5 for my class, 5 or 4.
5 of you. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. That's great. So have you given this Olympiad before also?
Yeah.
Okay. So what was your score or how you have prepared for that?
I usually just studied like the things that will most likely come, and then yeah.
So do you have the study material for this paper?
Uh, we don't know if what will come, but we just revise what might come.
What might come? Okay.
But we usually print out past papers and then revise those.
So have you done any practice for class 6 right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with that past paper, some questions from that past papers. Let's see how much you know. I want to check that what are the things which are good to you. Okay. Yes, so if this question comes, then can you read the question by yourself?
What is the result of the operation?
Hmm.
112 times 231 minus 111 times 232.
Yes. How will you do this question?
First, I find that I multiply all of them and then minus it.
Oh, so do you think that will take a lot of time? Because in Olympiads,
Yeah,
we have to save time. So see
yeah.
the pattern, what is the numbers are, is there any connection between them? Can you make them into one, some common things?
Okay, there's for the first number, it's the ones are the two ones are common in both.
So can you see these numbers, if you see some pattern in these two numbers, is there any pattern?
Yeah.
What's that?
So it's like the two numbers, it's two numbers, then there's a number which is not common, and then the other two numbers are common.
What are the number that is common?
So 11 and 23.
11 and 23, or we can say this is 231, this is 232, one number greater than that, and here we have 112 and 111, right?
Yeah.
So can
Yeah.
you write this number in the same format so that here and here we are getting same type of number? Can you write it?
What?
+1, -1, can you do something like that and make it into same numbers?
Okay, let me get a pen.
Yes, you need that.
So what number should I write?
Yes, but how can you
One.
make the two parts that look like same numbers? Operation using the same numbers.
Uh, you add them.
Yes, so how will you write it?
So won't it be like
Hmm.
1 plus 1 and then 1
Why
plus
1
1?
plus 1? No, no, no. This is one number. This is one complete number. Okay, and this is one complete number.
Oh,
Okay, how will you write 112 in terms of 111?
what do you mean?
Correct.
So like,
Okay. 112 can be written as 111 plus 1, right?
yeah,
Similarly, if I have to write second number here, 232 in terms of 231, then how can I write?
you write 231, 232, yeah.
Right. So in this place, we will write in this manner, 111 plus 1 into 231 minus, in place of 111, we will write 232 as 231 plus
230.
1, right? So this is one number
Yeah.
and this is one number. Okay. Now, have you read the distributive property? What say A plus B into C? What we have to do?
You have to do the one in the bracket first.
So what will be the answer if you multiply C inside A plus B?
So it's 231 times 111.
Yes, 111 into 231 and then,
And then 231 into 1.
yes, that means only 231, right?
Yeah.
Okay, for this bracket, we got it. Now, what about this bracket if we open this? Again, apply distributive property here and here.
Yeah. So 111 times 231.
Yes, then,
And then 111.
very good. Now, if there is, outside the bracket, there is minus sign, then what you do?
You find the answer inside the bracket and then minus it.
No, just open the bracket, let it be same number. Do not multiply the numbers. Okay, suppose
Okay.
here 111 into 231 is the first number, then plus 231. Then if I open the bracket, then second number will become 111 into 231. Then this minus is multiplied with this one and it will also become minus 111. Is there any problem here? Whenever there is
No.
minus before the bracket, all the numbers will change the sign.
Okay.
Okay,
So why
right now it is positive, so it becomes negative. This is also positive, so it will become negative. Okay. Now, can you tell me what will be the answer now? Is it easy, or will you multiply 111 into 231? Will you do like this? Do you
I
need
think
that
so.
to do 111 into 231? See this line properly, carefully. See this line carefully. Do you really need to multiply 111 into 231?
No,
Why?
I don't think.
Okay, tell me, if I write like this, 5 into 6 minus 6 into 5, what will be the answer?
0.
Right. Now see this pattern. Is there the same thing in this arrow line? What will be
Oh, but
cancelled? What will be cancelled?
what will be cancelled?
Yes. This and this
100
are
and
same thing, right?
yeah.
So this will be cancelled if you are finding answer also, then this answer will be cancelled. So no need to find it. Now what is remaining? 231 minus 111. What will be the answer?
120.
120. Correct. Okay. So without doing the multiplication, we have to apply the distributive property here. Are you able to do now? Same type of question?
Yeah.
Can you do one simple question if I give you like 7 into, do not multiply, okay? 17 into 15 minus 16 into 16.
Okay. So 17 equals to 16 plus 1. 16 equals to 16. Uh, uh, would it be 1?
Answer is 1, but not +1. Check the sign also.
Oh yeah, it's -1.
Correct. So how you turn the numbers?
So I first did, it was 17 to 6, it was 17 and 16. Then I wrote 17 equals to 16 plus 1.
Correct. And
And then for 16, it was equals to 15 plus 1.
correct. Very good. So you got it how to do. Correct. So you
Yeah.
you did like this, and then you cancel 16 into
Yeah.
15.
15 into 15. Yeah.
15 into 16 you cancelled, and you got final answer as 15 minus 16 as -1. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Good. Okay. Now, can you read the question?
The perimeter of the green regular hexagon is 24 centimeters, and the sides of the hexagon are also the diameter of the pink semicircles given. Given the circumstances, what is the total area of the pink regions?
Very good. Yes.
Uh,
So what can we do if perimeter is given?
the parent, I think we can divide it by like the amount of side we have on the hexagon.
So what will we get?
4.
4. So what is this 4? Which part is this 4?
For
Sides,
all of
right?
the sides. Yeah.
Yes. Now we need the total area of pink regions. And what is the area of this semicircle? Okay, what is the radius? Okay, let it be. Now, how will you find this area? What will you do?
I
Area of,
don't see.
okay, what shape is this semicircle? Do you know about circle? Area of a
Yeah.
circle? What is the formula for area of circle?
I don't know area of a circle.
Okay, area of a circle, whenever it is given, then it is equal to pi r square. Now, what is this pi? What is this r? Pi, it's a constant value and its value is 22/7, or you can write, if you divide 22/7, then you will get 3.1, right? So pi is 22/7 and r is the radius of the circle. Okay, now can you tell me, if I divide it into two halves, then it becomes semicircle, right? So area of semicircle will be pi r square by 2. Okay, so how many semicircles we need? How many semicircles are there?
It's 6.
6 semicircles. So 6 into pi r square by 2, you can say, or we can say 2 semicircles make 1 circle. So total we have 3 circles, right?
Yeah.
We need the area of 3 circles. That means 3 into pi r square. Now we got that the diameter of this half is 4. Now what is the radius? If diameter is 4, then what is the radius?
If the diameter is 4, the radius is 2.
Yes. So can you put the value of r here and tell me what will be the area now of pink region?
So it will be 6
3 into pi into r is 2. So 2 into 2.
Yeah. So it is so it's
Answer
3
is given in
times
terms
pi.
of, yes. 3 times
So pi.
3 times pi, and then multiply 2 into 2 also.
Multiply by 2 and 2. So it's 3 times pi times 4.
Yes. Multiply the numbers. 3 into pi into 4. Multiply 3 and 4.
12.
12 pi. So answer is 12 pi centimeter square.
Okay.
Got it? Is there any doubt here? Okay. Next question. Now this point means multiplication. Okay. First, second, third, and fourth.
Okay.
Which of the multiplication operations given above have the result equal to the natural number? Natural number means, what are they asking?
Which of the multiplication given above have a result equal to a natural number? So it's just a number without what's it called?
Decimal.
Without decimal point.
So this number is written as 7 into 24 into 25. Okay, dot means it is multiplication. Second number is 4 into 15 into, sorry, I'm wrong here. This is 7.24 into 25, 7.24 into 25. This is 4.15 into 10. This is 100 into 4.6. And this is 8.4 into 10. Now, which will give you natural number? They are asking you. How can we do it? Is there any number that you sure shot say that this will be definitely natural number?
I think it's 3.
3. What will be the
3
answer
and
of 3?
4.
3
I think
and
it's
4.
3.
3 and 4, correct. What will be the answer of third one?
The third one, it would be 460.
Correct. And what about fourth?
84.
84. So we got that third and fourth are definitely correct. So can you find it from the options? Which can be the option?
It's not there.
See, A is up to here. B is up to here. C is up to here. Third and fourth should be included in the option. You have to check that which option contains 3 and 4.
Yeah, so it's C.
C. So see, if you are getting some options that you sure that you are getting it correct, then check from the options and you have to check only the remaining. Now here we got that 3 and 4 is already in C option, so we don't need to check all of them. Just check first. Is first option possible? 7.24 into 25. If you see only the last digit here, 25 into 4, what will be the answer? Units place. 25 into 4 is
25, 100.
100. That means my last digit should be 00. And I have to place the decimal after two numbers, right? So that means decimal will come after these two numbers. So definitely this will also be a natural number. Okay. So if you are getting some answers, then you have to check from the option and eliminate all others. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Hello.
Yes. Read the question.
Okay. A wheel with a diameter of 60 centimeters has traveled along a linear path from point A to point B, completing 25 full rotations. Accordingly, what is the distance between points A and B?
Okay. So what is given here? What will we do about this diameter of 60 centimeter?
You half it.
Okay, you half it. So what you will get?
You will get 30.
Radius as 30 centimeter. Okay. Now
Yeah.
what we will do?
You will do I think it's 25.
No. Okay. What is the perimeter of the circle? Perimeter or circumference of the circle? No idea? Okay. So I'm telling you the formula. That circumference is known as the perimeter of the circle. Circumference means what is the boundary? Okay. That is equals to 2 into pi into r. Okay. 2 into pi into r. If 2r means what? Diameter only. 2r, twice of radius is diameter only. So I can write it like d into pi also. Both formulas are correct. You can write 2 pi r or you can write d into pi. Okay, d is the diameter because twice of radius is diameter only. Now, can you find the circumference of the circle? What will be the answer of circumference?
So d times pi, right?
Yes. Write pi
So
as pi only.
So it's if the diameter is 60, so 60 pi. 60 times pi.
60 pi. Okay. Now it is given that the linear, it has completed 25 full rotations. What does that mean?
I think the wheel has gone through 25 rotations. Like,
so that means how many total perimeter, total circumference has completed?
so it's 1,500.
1,500 centimeters, right?
Yeah, centimeters.
So answer is given in?
What?
Answer is given in? Check what is the unit given here.
Oh, meters.
Yes. So what can be the answer? Correct option.
150. No, 15.
15. So 15 pi is the correct answer. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next.
When 6 boys and 12 girls.
Okay, try about this. Let it be.
Okay.
Try about this. That's all algebra. We will do that also.
In the figure above, ABCD is a rectangle divided into 20 equal squares with a side length of 1 centimeter. What is the area of the shaded region? So I think it's 3.5. How do I do this one?
Okay, so where you are getting problem? How many squares are
Some
shaded? How many full squares are shaded?
2,
2.
no,
Just see,
3.
yes. 1,
1, 2, 3.
2, 3, right? How many half?
Yeah,
Okay, 3 full squares you got. Now, how many half squares are shaded?
half squares. So there's
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only, I think.
The
That's not
last
complete
is
half, right? Not complete half.
after that one.
This one, this is not
Yeah.
completely half, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So 4 half means 2 full. 4 half means 2 full, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you tell me any two squares that are made which will constitute like one? That means some portion is remaining here. Can you find any square in which only this part is shaded?
Like
Can we
there's
merge them and make it one? Yes, just this one.
one.
This and this make one complete, right?
Yeah.
So this is also one full. Can you find any other which we can join and make it one?
I think 1 and 2. Like
Okay, what I
it's
will join with this one
yeah.
and
The
this one,
the the
right?
one below it. Yeah.
Okay, so this is also one full. And the remaining two, this
Yeah. You
one
can
and
also
this
fill.
one. Okay, so you have to see such pattern also that makes into one and make it a one complete full square. Okay, so how many full squares are there now? 3,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh
Okay,
yeah. Sorry.
okay, so
Yeah.
total 8 full squares. Okay, now what
Yeah.
is the area of one square?
Area of 1 square.
Hmm.
Area of
What
1
is given here?
square.
Hmm. What is given here?
Area of
Side
yeah.
is given as 1 centimeter. So this is also 1
Yeah.
centimeter. So what is the area of this
So
one square?
it's 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter square. So one square has the area of 1 centimeter square. Then 8 squares will have how much area?
What? So
8
8
squares
squares.
has
So 8
area
centimeter square.
8 centimeter square. So this is your answer. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to see such pattern in which two squares can be combined and make it into one complete square. Okay. Okay. Next. If you decrease the price of the product by 10% and then later increase it by 10% before selling it, what is the ultimate situation? Do you know what are percentages?
If you decrease the price of a product by 10%,
Hmm.
and then later increase it by 10% before selling it, what is the ultimate situation?
Hmm.
I think it's stability.
Okay, let's try with any number. Take any product whose rate is 100. Okay, if you decrease the rate, okay, initial rate is 100. Okay, rupees 100. Okay, if you
Yeah.
decrease by 10%, what will be the rate?
It would be
Decrease by
90.
10%. Yes, 90,
90.
right? Okay, now
Yeah.
increase 90 by 10%.
To become 100.
Why? Just do
No,
it.
not 100.
Then,
Um, wait.
hmm.
So it will be 99.
Yes, it will be 99. So from 100, it goes to 99. So what will be the correct answer? It is decreasing
1% loss.
1% loss. Correct. So do not go in hurry. Try to do that question that you are getting the same answer or not. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
What should be the smallest integer value of triangle with the inequality below? Um, should be the smallest integer value. What does integer value mean?
That means what value you will put at place of triangle. What option you will put?
Um,
So that the right hand side, this portion should be greater.
yeah. Mm, I think it should be mm, I think it's through 58, I think.
58. Okay. How you got the answer?
I just divided 58 over 15.
Okay, what you got?
Uh, I got 3, um, I got 313 over 15.
313 over 15. Okay, and what about 57 upon 15? What you are getting?
I get 12 over 15.
So why it is not correct?
Which one?
57.
Because it's less.
It
It's
is less.
lesser than.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if you are comparing it with 3 4 by 5, answer is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next.
Ali, Kane, and Darcy are placing points on the number line starting from the 0 point at equal intervals. Ali places red points with intervals of 12 units. Kane places green points with intervals of 15 units, and Darcy places blue points with intervals of 20 units. Based on this information, which point could have been marked with all three colors? Hmm.
What should we do? Which type of topic is this?
Units.
Okay, and from which chapter it should be? What they are doing? If Ali is placing uh, points after every 12 units, so can you tell me the pattern on which unit, on which points it will be repeated?
It's from 3. It's
First
like
point will be at 12, second point will be at
12, 15.
why 15? No,
No,
I'm asking about Ali.
24,
Then
36.
yes, correct. And this will go on, right? What about Kane?
Yeah. It's 15,
Hmm.
30,
Hmm.
and 145.
Correct. Then what about Darcy?
It's 20,
Hmm.
then 40,
Hmm. Then
60.
60. Okay. Then they are asking you the common point at which, what is the first point at which, what is the first number that will be common for all of them? How will you find it?
60.
How will you find it? How you got 60?
I find the LCM.
Correct. So when the multiples, we are writing the multiples, that means it is an LCM problem. Now you get that first number is, that means LCM is 60. But 60 suppose is not in the option. The options are 140, 180, 190 and 200. So what will be the correct answer?
Um, I should do the LCM.
LCM is correct. 60 is correct LCM. Now what will be the correct answer? Based on this information, which point could have been marked with all three colors? Now, which option is correct? A, B, C, D.
Which point could have been marked with all three colors?
Hmm.
Um, I think it would be 180.
Yes, correct. Why?
Because like wouldn't it be like I think it's 60 and then you times it by 3.
Yes,
I think.
because every same colors will be repeated after every 60, right? So 60,
Yeah.
then 120, 120 is not in the option, then next will be 180.
180,
Okay,
yeah.
so at every LCM number, this will be repeated. Okay, so you have to see the multiple of LCM. Okay, 180 is correct. Next.
There are 3 apples and 7 oranges in a bag. One of the fruits is taken out of the bag at random and eaten. Then a second fruit is taken out. Also at random and eaten. What is the probability that one apple and 1 orange were eaten? For an apple, the probability is it's 7/15, I think.
15, why? Okay, why? How you got it?
Wait, not 15, it's 2/5. It's
12
2/5.
over 5. Why 12?
2/5.
How you got that? 2 over 5.
Because one of them is less and then the other one is more by 2.
No. Okay, how you find the probability? What, how you do it?
Uh, uh,
Okay, simple
you,
question. If there are 10 balls in a bag, okay, and 4 of them are red, 2 of them are green, and 4 of them are blue. What is the probability of taking one ball which is blue color? So you have to find the
4
probability of
over
a blue.
10.
Huh?
4 over 10.
4 over 10, correct. That means what event we require upon total, right? Total are 10 balls. Now here, if I
Yeah.
ask you that in a bag there are 3 apples and 7 oranges, so what is the probability of getting one apple?
It's 3/10.
3 over 10, correct. Now we have already taken one apple. Now how many fruits are left?
9.
9. So if you are taking one orange, then what is the probability now?
7/9.
7 over 9. Okay. Now, if the reverse happen, now if I ask you one orange you are taking first. Okay, one orange you are taking first, then what is the probability?
7/10.
7 over 10. And what is the probability if you are taking one apple now?
It would be 3/9.
3 over 9. Now multiply these. 3 over 9. What you are getting?
You
Multiply
would
this.
get it's 21/90.
Correct. And if you multiply these two, 3 on 10 into 7 by 9.
You would get 21/90.
You have done correct. 7. Oh, sorry. Yes, correct.
So you can simplify it, which is 7/, isn't it 7/30?
7 over 30.
Yeah. But that's in none of the options.
This is 14. You have to add both the cases because both are same. So you have to add this A case and then B case. So A plus B you have to do. A plus B. This is 21 by 90 plus 21 by 90. After simplification, we get 7 by 30 plus 7 by 30. That is equals to 14 by 30. Now simplify it. What you will get?
You get 7/15.
Yes. So answer is C. Okay. Because
Yeah.
here it is given that one apple and one orange were eaten. They have not given that we are taking first apple or first orange. Okay. We can take first apple, then orange, or we can take one orange, then one apple. So we have to add both the probabilities, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I hope I'm writing it again. 9 to the power 3x is equals to 27 to the power 2 minus x. You have to find the value of x. How will we do it? Do you know any idea about exponents?
No.
Okay, so yeah, what is this 3 to the power 2?
3 to the power of 2.
Hmm.
It's 6.
No,
I mean, it's 9. It's 9.
9, because 3 is multiplied by itself 2 times,
Yeah.
that is equal to 9. Okay, now how can I write 9 in form of 3?
9 in form of 3.
In terms of power.
So 9 and 3/2.
3/2. So I can write it like 3 to the power 2 and 3x is here only. Now how can I write 27 in form of 3? How many times 3 is multiplied so that it will become 27?
9 times.
How many times?
9.
No.
Yeah, 3 times 9 is 27.
3 into 3 into 3. That means I can write it
Oh,
like
yeah.
3 to the power 3, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
3 to the power 3 and this is 2 minus x. Okay. Whenever we have exponent like a to the power b and then we have one more power, then we will multiply it. It will become a to the power b into c. Okay. Now we will use the same
Okay.
formula here. How can you write it here?
Right.
What it will be?
9.
Why 9?
Because 3 times 3 is 9.
Let it 3 like this. Multiply 2 and 3x.
2 and 3x.
Hmm.
It's 6x.
Correct. Now, similarly, we will multiply 3 and 2 minus x. 3 and 2 minus x. What will be the answer?
Uh,
Apply distributive property.
It's 6 minus 3x.
Correct. So it will be 6 minus 3x. Okay. Now, when your bases are same, both of them on the left hand side and RHS, both of them are having same base, then we can equate the powers. That means 6x is equals to 6 minus 3x. Can you find the value of x now?
I think so 6x it's 0.5, I think.
Okay, take 3x to other side, what you will get?
Oh, it's 9x.
9x is equals to 6.
Yeah.
Then x will be, if 9 apples are 6, then 1 apple will be?
It's what?
Okay, so 9x is equals to 6, then 1x will be?
9x equal 1x equals to I think it's
How 9 will become 1? If I
you
divide by 9?
you divide it
9.
by 9, yeah.
So in 6 also we have to divide by 9. So 6
Yeah.
by 9. Now reduce it into lower term.
It's 2/3.
2/3. So this is your answer, that x is equals to 2/3.
Yeah.
Okay. Exponent and powers you have not learned, so that's why you are taking time. In algebra also you have not read.
Yeah.
In sixth it is there, no?
What?
In 6th class, algebra is there in your syllabus.
Yeah.
So have you completed that, or you are entering in class 6?
No, we already finished algebra.
Okay. Okay. Okay, one last question, Auntie. Okay, this will, I don't think you know the formula, so no need to do out similarity and this. Okay, try this question. Let's see.
Given that A equals to 3x plus 1
Hmm.
equals to 5y plus 4 equals to 7z plus 3, where x and y and z are natural numbers, what is the smallest three-digit value of A?
How can we do it?
Think you can do and I think you can do I don't know.
Okay, if anything is written, just see any number that is 3x plus 1. So what can we do about this? What do you know about dividend is equals to division, divisor into question plus remainder?
What?
Dividend is equals to divisor into question plus remainder. Have you learnt about that? That any number can be written in that form?
No.
Okay. Suppose number is 20. If I divide it by 3, what will be the quotient and remainder?
18 and 2.
18 and 2. Okay, so how can you write 20? 20 can be written as, if you divide by 3, then 3 into what plus 1?
What?
How can I write 20? Dividend, that means the number that you are dividing, by the number that is, by which number you are dividing, that is your divisor, into quotient plus remainder, right? So this 20 can be written in this form. How will you write it?
So it's 3x equals to 20 times 18 plus 2.
3 into what plus remainder? What quotient you were getting? See, 20 you are dividing by 3. So this is your dividend. This is your divisor.
Oh,
if I am dividing, 6 3s are 18, divide by 2. So this is your remainder and this is your quotient. So I can write it like 3 into 6 plus 2. Right? Now, here if you see here, that means this number when divided by 3 leaves the remainder 1. Okay, same number when divided by 5 leaves the remainder 4. Same number when divided by 7 leaves the remainder 3, right? So can you find it from the option which can be possible? If you are taking first option and if you divide 176 by 3, what is the remainder? Are you getting 1?
No.
No. Check from the other option. 199 divided by 3. Are you getting 1 as remainder?
Yes.
Yes. Now, if this is following, then multiply, divided by 5. Are you getting 4 as a remainder?
Yeah.
Correct.
Wait.
Now, what about this? What remainder you will get?
3.
3. Are you getting for 199 3 as a remainder? Check. Divide by 7.
I'm getting 4.
4.
No, I'm getting
Just
3.
check.
I'm getting
Correct.
3.
That
Getting
means
3.
this 199 is satisfying all the conditions. So this is your
Yeah.
correct answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm ending the meeting.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Just tell me what is your school timing, and so that I can see the timings.
It starts if you're doing in Tanzanian time. Starts at 7:30 to and finishes at 2:30.
Okay. Okay. Finishes. And do you have any summer holidays now? When it will be started?
It starts in June.
June. So up to June, you will be having all the classes. So after 2:30, at what time you are preferring to take classes?
I'll see. I'll discuss with my mom,
Okay.
and then
Okay.
she can
No
tell.
problem. Okay. So we will discuss it later. Okay. I'm ending the meeting. Any doubt you are having?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So bye. Good day.
Bye.